Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Twitch account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a twitch.com and press enter. At the official web page of Twitch, you can see login button. Click on log in. First, you need to get logged into your account by providing your username and password. So go for it. Click on log in. After you get logged into your account, you can see profile icon on top right corner. Click on it. Click on settings. Under settings, you can see many options. Here, you need to click on security and privacy. Under security section, you can see option of password. At the side of password, you can see change password. Click on it. To change your password, first of all, you need to provide your current password. So go for it. Now, go in for providing a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Click on Change Password. Your password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Twitch account password. Thank you.